Hello Internet. Today I'm going to show you a simple and advanced techniques for clearing out a jammed sewing machine. My sewing machine is a Singer Simple model 2263. The issue that I was having was that the wheel up here wouldn't turn at all. It was really just jammed. I will show you how to go about fixing that issue. The first thing you should do is check for the basics. You're going to want to go inside here and remove out the bobbin wheel and the casings from the unit and cut away any threads that might potentially be in there. I also recommend using a can of compressed air. Blow it out, make sure it's completely clean. Any little bit of thread or lint can potentially cause a jamming issue. If you've already tried that, another good idea is to purchase some sewing machine oil. Once you've removed that bobbin and casing, just take your sewing machine oil and you're going to want to get back in here and just place one, maybe two drops. And that's good enough. This will make sure that your sewing machine stays in good order. Unfortunately, this particular model seems to have a common issue, which took me all day to figure out what was happening. I couldn't move this wheel barely at all. It was really, really stiff. I could move it if I really forced it, but I was afraid I might break it. The way you fix this, at least in my case, is you're going to turn your machine over, and on the bottom you'll have a panel with 4 screws. Just simply take those 4 screws out, and what you're left with is this exposed area. If we get on in here, if I turn the wheel, when it's properly working, you'll see this mechanism rotating back and forth, and I can smoothly turn the wheel without any catches whatsoever. What was happening with me was a particular screw, this one right here, was really, really tight. Let me just show you what happens if I tighten this up. I'll turn it, tighten it, and now I'll try to turn the wheel. I can barely turn it. It's sticking. It's really, really hard to move. And if there's any stickiness at all, what will happen is you'll get a bunch of thread catching and jams. Will happen very frequently because it's not able to smoothly turn. So all you have to do is take an Allen wrench and simply loosen this screw up. It doesn't need to be tight at all. In fact, if you tighten it even just a bit, you'll start to feel some stickiness. So you just want to have it as tight as possible without having any catches. That fixes it right up. I hope this helps you out. It certainly took me all day to figure out what was causing the problem. Hopefully this helps somebody else out to avoid the issue. Thanks. Take care.